Hello. In this video I'll show you how to add an exam to an existing course. So this would be good for your second exam for a semester or third or fourth. So I'm going to log into the same account we used in the previous video, which is allowed into the College Boreal courses and a bunch of other ones I created. So we're going to add an exam for BCD 101, which is right here. So we click on the course, and then let's make sure the right centers are enrolled for this. First, before we go any further, so under course administration, in the administration block, we click on the little arrow next to users to expand it, then click on enrolled users. And we see that the demo center we had enrolled before and the example center we had enrolled before are both already there. But let's say a user from another institution, not a Contact North Center, needed to add an exam. Say they were proctoring an exam for someone who lives in the middle of nowhere. For that, we're going to add another user, and we're going to use one of my coworkers to simulate this. So we're going to pick Henry Lauren. So we'll search for him. And we're going to use his regular account, not his admin account. He's one of our IT specialists here. So click on enroll for his regular account and finish enrolling users. And there, we just added another account. And he should have the role of center in the roles column. So Henry would now be able to download the exam for this course and upload completed exams so you could get those to your instructors. So let's go back to the course, and I'm going to do that just by clicking on it, the course code in the breadcrumb trail here. And to add a second exam for this course, we first have to turn editing on. So I'm going to click the turn editing on button. And we want to use the next available topic, and that's topic 2, and that's grayed out right now. That's because it's hidden. And if it's hidden, the centers won't be able to see it, so let's unhide that. So we click on this edit link, and then click show topic. There we go. Now, instead of calling it topic 2, we should call it test 2. So click on the little pencil icon next to it. Type test number 2 and press enter, and there it's renamed. Now we're going to add an activity or resource, just like you did for the first one. It's going to be the assignment type, so we click on assignment, then we click the add button, and we're back into creating an assignment that we use for doing our exams. So again, for the assignment name, it should be the course code, which is BCD 101 in this case, and then the name of the test, which is test number 2. And we don't need a description, but we do need to upload the file. So I'm going to open up my file manager, and I have one for test 2 here already. So I'm going to drag and drop the file onto this box here, and I let go, and we'll go back to Moodle, and there it is. And this exam, we're going to say is on the 24th of February, which is next week for me. So it's set to the 24th of February, and the due date, oh, it's already on the 24th of February, but we need to change that to 23:55 for the time. So 23 in the first box and 55 in the second. So they'll be able to access that next Friday between 12 a.m. and 11:55 p.m. and that's when they can upload the completed exams. Now, we still need to change the maximum number of uploaded files to 100, just to allow centers that have more than one student taking the exam to upload them all. And we also have to change the restrict access, so we can limit when the centers can download the exam for printing. So we're going to add a restriction of date, and it's going to be from, let's say, February 17th, which is today, at 12 a.m., which is 0000. And then we're going to add a second restriction, also of type date, and that's going to be until the 24th, which is the day of the exam, at 23:55. And that's how you add an additional exam to a course. So I'll click Save and Return to Course, and we see they are both there. So our first exam is available from the 13th to the 17th and is on the 17th. And our second test is on the 24th and is available for printing on the 17th. So that's it for creating exams.